Hey guys, welcome back to my channel PencilTreats. In this 4-minute video, you will see how I sketch the iconic masterpiece Hampi Stone Chariot using graphite pencils. In reality, I have spent close to 16 hours of detailing in this artwork to bring to life the historic monument. Stay tuned in this video to learn how detailing will enhance this artwork and make it stand out. Come, let's start the journey. This masterpiece of art and history is a true symbol of India's rich cultural heritage. As I carefully bring each details of this chariot to life on paper, you will see the intricate carvings and the majestic structure take shape before your eyes. Join me on this creative journey as I capture the essence of this Hampi Stone Chariot on paper. Let's immerse ourselves in the beauty of this ancient marvel and appreciate the artistry that has stood the test of time. With each stroke of the pencil, I pay homage to the craftsmanship and the skill of the artisans who created this magnificent structure centuries ago. The precision and the dedication required to recreate such a masterpiece are truly inspiring. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel PencilTreats for more artistic creations and cultural explorations. Thank you.